This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and open the bonnet. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation or to maintain control unit memories which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source, known as a memory saver, to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. Unclip the cover from the fascia and plug the memory saver device into the diagnostic socket. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Release the clips, unclip the hose and remove the battery cover. Slacken the nut and with a twisting motion pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the cover, slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the terminal. Unclip the grommet and move the positive lead to one side. Undo the nuts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's very heavy. Manoeuvre the battery into place with the positive terminal adjacent to the inner wing. Refit the retaining clamp and tighten the nuts securely. Move the positive lead into place and refit the grommet. Push the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the battery positive terminal, then tighten the clamp nut. Smear a little petroleum jelly on the positive terminal to prevent corrosion, then refit the cover. Refit the negative lead clamp and tighten the nut. Smear a little petroleum jelly onto the battery terminal to prevent corrosion. Manoeuvre the battery cover into position, then secure it with the clips. Secure the hose to the cover. Disconnect the memory saver device from the diagnostic socket and close the cover. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.